We wanted to go to Friday night services, and we went to, in Prague, we went to the liberal congregation, which I told you about. You had the Mechitza, so the liberals were still Orthodox. So we wanted some place to go where we were more comfortable. So if you can't find it, you build it. We were involved in creating a small congregation, trying to educate people who had no knowledge, who had literally not even a prayer book to work from. And it wasn't something that we did for any other reason than for our own desires. It became more serious when we were there for Rosh Hashanah the second year. We took with us a tape of the shofar. And when we did the service, we blew the it was the first time they had ever heard it. And it was stunning to see their reaction. Tears. I had no expectation of anything except for them to understand or to hear the shofar for the first time. I did not expect any kind of, or we did not expect any kind of reaction like that.